In order to add audio to a Google Slide presentation, you're going to need an MP3 file. If you don't have an MP3 file or don't have a way to record it, you can do a Google search for online recorder, and then one of the first results should be online voice recorder. Click on that, and then you can go ahead and record your audio. This will save it in MP3 format. Once you're done, hit stop, and then save it to your computer. Next, we're going to go to our Google Drive account. We're going to hit New, File Upload, and then go ahead and locate that file. Or if you already had a pre-recorded file, go ahead and find that now. And now we're going to return to our Google Slide presentation. We're going to go to Insert at the top, and then we're going to hit Audio. And then you're going to go ahead and locate the audio file you just uploaded. Hit Select, and there's our audio file right there. You can move it anywhere on the slide. And then you have two options here on the right. You can have it start when you click on it, or you can have it automatically start. Just be aware that you must be in the Google Present feature in order for it to start automatically. I'm going to hit Automatic, and then I'm going to go ahead and start the presentation. And then as we slide over it, you can see it's already playing. And that's all there is to it.